Welcome everybody. It's Randy's Den here bringing you this fancy unit out of Amazon. It is the soldering practice music drum, touch sensing SMD soldering. Run me to the core of my wits and trying to put this thing together. The components are a little small for crooked up hands, we'll say. That's my limit, but it was feasible. I actually got the hot air gun here, figuring I'd need it, but never needed it, of course, so packing it up, and this is it. If you'll see here, though, there is an issue if I apply the power. These two here, what are these, 40 by 40, whatever they call them, the SMD LEDs. They're tough to solder, to get under without burning like the plastic membrane on the top piece. You see, and guess you won't see. Oh, there it goes. See how tight it is down the corners there? It's just tight to get under there, even with the small. I mean, the tip I got is pretty fantastically small. Whoa! How am I going? See it there? I was trying to go in like that, but what do you know, I mean, look how tiny them damn resistors are. It's freaking unbelievable. Trying to hold them down and solder them. It's just madness. Where in the world is the stupid soldering iron? I'm trying to look. I mean, that's a pretty small tip. Yeah. The normal tip I use is actually right here. Friggin' finger's worthless. Can't even zoom out. No, it zoomed in. Good job, finger. You're worthless. You're fired. But this is the typical. It's a little bigger than most, but I like it that way. Just use the angles when I need to. But you can see the difference of how small it is. Wish the red light wasn't on. It just overpowers. Alright, so I'll try to get it zapped up quick and on with it and undone. Catch you in a sec.